Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we re-diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind, artificial intelligence and its seismic impact on the UK job market. Is it the end of work as we know it, or the dawn of a new era of opportunity? Let's unpack it together. For years, we've heard whispers and warnings about robots taking our jobs. Now, with the explosion of generative AI like ChatGPT, it feels more real than ever. News headlines are filled with predictions, some painting a grim picture. A recent report suggested that nearly 8 million UK workers could be at risk of being replaced by AI. That's a staggering number, and it's completely understandable to feel a bit of anxiety. Jobs that involve routine tasks, data processing, and even some creative roles are being re-evaluated. Let's look at some specifics. Administrative roles, data entry clerks, and even certain customer service positions are seeing AI tools handle tasks faster and more accurately than ever before. Think about how chatbots are now the first point of contact for many companies. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now. The finance sector is also feeling the shift. AI algorithms can analyze market trends and manage portfolios with an efficiency that's hard for humans to match. Even in creative fields like graphic design and copywriting, AI is now a powerful tool that can generate ideas and first drafts in seconds. This is the part that often causes concern. When we see a machine doing something a person used to do, it's natural to worry about displacement. And yes, some job roles will decline. History shows us that technological revolutions always lead to a shift in the labor market. The Industrial Revolution replaced weavers with power looms, and the digital revolution changed the landscape for typists and telephone operators. The AI revolution is no different in that respect. The key difference is the speed and scale of the change we're facing today. It's not just manual labor. It's cognitive labor that's being automated. But here's where the story gets more interesting and, frankly, more optimistic. AI is not just a job destroyer. It's a job creator. For every job it makes obsolete, it's creating new roles that we couldn't have even imagined a decade ago. We're seeing a huge demand for AI specialists, data scientists, and machine learning engineers. These are the people who build, train, and maintain the AI systems. The UK is becoming a hub for AI innovation, and that means high-skilled, high-paying jobs. Beyond the tech-heavy roles, AI is creating what we can call human-in-the-loop jobs. These are positions where human oversight, creativity, and empathy are essential. Think of AI ethicists, who ensure that artificial intelligence is used responsibly, or AI trainers who fine-tune language models with nuance and cultural context. Businesses need people who can bridge the gap between the technology and the real world, who can interpret the data AI provides and make strategic decisions based on it. Moreover, AI is set to become a powerful partner or a co-pilot for many existing professions. Imagine a doctor using an AI to analyze medical scans for early signs of disease, allowing them to spend more time with their patients. Or a lawyer using AI to sift through thousands of legal documents in minutes, freeing them up to build a stronger case. Teachers can use AI to create personalized learning plans for each student, catering to individual needs and speeds. In this vision, AI doesn't replace the expert. It augments their abilities, taking care of the tedious, time-consuming tasks so humans can focus on what they do best: critical thinking, complex problem-solving, and building relationships. So, what does this mean for the average person in the UK? It means the skills that are in demand are changing. Rote memorization and repetitive task execution are becoming less valuable. The new currency in the job market is adaptability. Creativity, emotional intelligence, and the willingness to learn continuously. Lifelong learning is no longer just a buzzword. It's a necessity. The UK government and educational institutions are starting to recognize this shift. There are more and more initiatives aimed at upskilling and reskilling the workforce. We're seeing a rise in coding boot camps, data science courses, and digital literacy programs. The key for anyone feeling uncertain about their career is to be proactive. Look at your current role. What parts of it could be automated? And what parts require uniquely human skills? Focus on developing those. Learn how to use the AI tools relevant to your field. Don't see them as a threat, but as a new set of power tools that can make you better at your job. The future of work in the UK won't be a battle of humans versus machines. It will be a collaboration. The companies and individuals who thrive will be those who embrace this new partnership. It will require a change in mindset, from fearing automation to leveraging it. The transition won't be without its challenges, of course. We need to ensure that the benefits of AI are shared widely and that there are safety nets for those whose jobs are displaced. This is a conversation we need to have as a society. But the potential is immense. By automating the mundane, we free up human potential to tackle bigger problems, to be more creative, and to provide more empathetic services. The UK job market is on the brink of a massive transformation, driven by AI. It will be a period of disruption, yes, but also one of incredible opportunity for those who are prepared to adapt and learn. The future is coming, and it's powered by AI, but it will be guided by human ingenuity. What are your thoughts on this? Are you using AI in your job already? What skills do you think will be most important in the next 5 to 10 years? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your perspective. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on technology and our changing world. See you in the next one.